In this video, I show you how to fix Gangster Mirage City game login problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Gangster. Tap on Gangster Mirage City. Tap on Force Stop, then OK. Then tap on Store as in Touch, Clear Catch. Now go to Play Store. Now search for Mirage City. Now update. Name if available any update version. Then search for 11 VPN. Tap on it. Now install it. After installing, open this. Connect. Now open Gangster Mirage City game. Wait for loading the game. Vote for Continue Verifying Resource. Now click on Google Login. Now enter your email address. Now you can see that Gangster Mirage City Cam is login. Now I hope that this method fixed your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.